Alright, what's up, y'all? Hurry up and breathe so I can transfer y'all to the other coop, man. Yep, almost ready. White grizzle tipplers. Just snapping that little guy. I don't know, the parents of black grizzle, they've been throwing out white grizzles for me. I'll show you their sibling in a second here. We got another one here. Chill, alright man. Damn, you stepping all over your baby, bro. Damn. Get your ass out of there. The hell's wrong with you, man? Motherfucker. Stepping all over your baby, man. That's the parents right there, the black grizzles. And here goes the siblings to those little guys. Right there. And right there. The parents of black grizzle. Oh, you mean ass. And then this guy's off the black grizzle. I mean the white grizzle. Yeah, this guy's off the white grizzle. Black grizzles. Stop. Drake. Draco. Get your ass over here. Drake. Drake. Don't piss me off, man. Come here. Draco! Fuck wrong with you, man? Leave their fucking dog alone, man. This motherfucker, man. I deal with your ass all the time, man. Chill your ass. Sit. Boy. What's up, Yuki?